Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about this one question, about this numpy question. So here, create a 5 by 5 numpy array of random integers between 1 and 100. Find the row with the maximum sum. First, part 1 is to create a 5 by 5 numpy array of random integers between 1 and 100. Okay? First, we create the library, import numpy as np. Next, what we do is we create it. So let's start. First, a equals to np dot random dot randit. So choose any random number from 100, comma 1 and 101, comma square bracket, comma 5. Done. That's all we need to do. So let's print this first. Let me add the console first here. Now, when we run it, it does it, right? It's a 5 by 5 matrix between 1 and 100 random numbers. Now, we're done with part 1, okay? This is part 1. Part 2 is, here's part 2. Part 2 is, part 2, yes, part 2 is to find the row with the maximum sum. Done. That's it. Okay? That's all we have to do. Now, all we gotta do here is we make a dictionary. Dict1, curly braces, and the variable b equals to 0. First, for each row, we have to add all the rows. Then we can only see which row has the maximum sum. This is how we do it. So for I and A, so I will just check every row. Okay? We gotta first do the sum. Row sum equals the sum of I. So we'll add all those rows. Example, first row, which was 21, 87, 13, 6. Right? This is 20. So it will find the addition of this. Basically the sum of that. Oops, my bad. What? Got 2. Yeah, okay, yeah, definitely. Now, next, all we have to do is we gotta add the dictionary into that. What did I do? So, dict1, we put the keys and values. Values will just show the actual value. So it'll show the sum. And the keys, it will just show like the row numbers, basically. So B will be our key. And this equals to row sum. Well, anyway, it's just gonna keep printing 0, right? So B equals to B plus 1, meaning that every row we go into, the row number increases by 1. So B is 0 now. But when we go to the next row, B will be 1. Because B is 0, so 0 plus 1. It will update the value B, which is B equals to 1. And then it goes on. Okay? Next, what we do now is just print dict1. If I run it, it shows it, right? It will show the addition. Right now, it's doing that, showing the addition of this row number. Same thing for this one. Here, 1 is the keys. 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the keys. And it's doing this. See? These are the additions. That's what it's showing right here. Okay, back here. Now, this is what it looks like. We need to find the maximum sum. So, max equals to max dict 1, comma, key. For the key, because automatically it's going to show us the key, but we need the value. So, we're going to do key equals to dict 1, excuse me, dot get, no parenthesis. Then just print max. Okay? So here's what we're gonna do. Max. Okay? Max. Now when we print the max, see, max is 4. Basically, it's this row number. This is how this coding works. Thank everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it, and